Hello viewers, so yeah, just a short and sweet video today, upgrading the battery in the DRZ400. The old battery here we are taking out and we're trialling the new lithium style battery. So we've got one from the Power Sports SSB. So the code for this battery is an LFP9B-4, and I've checked it out and it fits all okay. It's just a tiny bit lower than the other battery. Specs of the new battery: the cold cranking amps are rated at 190. A few other features claimed by the manufacturer is the 2000 cycles of use from recharging, compared to 200 to 300 of the normal wet acid style type batteries. So of course we're just installing it today, and it'll be an ongoing review, see how long we get out of it. It might be in 2 years time we come back and say that it's given up the ghost, or even longer. So we're marking today as the 20th of September 2019. The other claimed benefit by the manufacturer is the shelf life and drain life of it, claiming over 12 months before it drops its charge. The other style batteries, the bike sits for around anywhere up to 3 months, and you'll notice a performance drop off and you have to jump start. So claiming 12 months before any noticeable reduction of performance. The first and biggest claim, of course, between the two types of batteries is the weight. So the lithium battery is claimed to be a third of the weight compared to the wet style battery. So I've got the scales here. We'll measure them up and see how they compare. Okay, first up, we'll test the standard battery. You can see that 2.280 kilos. That is the standard style battery. Drop the new lithium one on. There we go, 692 grams. So that's correct, it is more than 1/3 the weight. So quite a light battery. Battery terminal types are just a nut and bolt on top of the terminal. These can become a little bit tricky to get at times, so just a tip that I use is, if need be, get underneath the nut with a flat blade screwdriver and hold it up while you're starting the screw, and away you go. Not too much, just a quick look. Just a negative and positive terminal there on the DRZ, and that sits in this carrier on the rear of the subframe here. Fuse there at the point. While we're in here, it pays to check that you've got your spare fuse sitting in there. So yep, 2 fuses just in case you do happen to blow one. Let's put it in and see how it fires up. Just hand you a note, write the date of installation on your battery for future reference, and the clip just holds across there like that, with the bolt holding it in. Rightio, so we will go for a cold start. The bike hasn't been run for about 2 weeks, so full choke. See what volts we've got. 12.1. Yep, that's fair. This is the new lithium battery. There we are. No problems with cranking. That's about the usual start, cold start.